so we've diversified. We've used the strength of our broadline business. If you think about that, it's a really efficient execution engine. We sell $100 million worth of stuff a day, and the average order size is under $1,000. We ship it the same day 99% of the time. That's an engine that you can apply in other places. Behind that is a world-class credit organization and sales and marketing capability. So we looked at that and we said, where could we diversify those skills and change our dynamics in the market? And we picked 4 places: the data center, mobility, software, and consumer electronics. Not every one of those are in every geography, but we think that those opportunities and our strengths, our core capabilities, match up very nicely. And so, for example, our data center business today is over a $6 billion company. A few years ago, we were barely in that space. Mobility, multi-million-dollar business. Consumer electronics, multi-million-dollar business. Software, $4 billion business. And a few years ago, we were basically just PCs. So, this expansion of into these other strategic areas has created new customers, new vendor partners, new revenue streams, and new opportunities for profit that didn't exist before in tech data. The other thing that I like about it is when you think about the next 5 years or so in technology, I believe any big sea change that's going to happen is going to happen in one of those 4 areas. So our company's very well positioned for the long term, and we can work with VARs and say, stick with tech data. We will help you get to the next great thing, like the cloud. If you think about the cloud, it's highly available, highly scalable data center technologies that are attached to multiple endpoints, whether they be PCs or smartphones or mobility products, all the way into the home. And so as an end-to-end distributor like we're positioned today, we think we're very well prepared to support our VARs as they move into the cloud world. That wasn't there when we invented these areas of focus, but it's emerged and we're ready. So we're really excited about the future, not only the future of technology, but the future for tech data. The biggest underserved opportunity. Mobility and software. And it's part of the reason why we've invested millions of dollars to develop the Stream 1 offerings and the TD Mobility offerings. The VAR channel knows how to sell into the data center. The VAR channel knows how to sell the commodity PC kind of products. The software is very inefficient and hard to get right, and that's one of the advantages. The first version of Stream 1 is a license selector that makes that easier. And then, the whole initiative towards always on, always connected mobility, most VARs don't have practices in that space. And so we think that's a big, important area to invest in. And if you put Stream 1 and TD Mobility together, those are the biggest single IT projects Tech Data has done in its 38-year history. The broadest reaching and the most expensive. So we're investing, trying to show our VARs, hey, we think these are important, and if you follow us into these spaces, we think you're going to find good opportunity and good business opportunities.